Hello children, welcome to the session of logo. Last time we have done triangle. We learned how to make triangle using FD and RT. Now today we are going to learn how to make square. But in our first lesson we have already done what's new in that. So today we'll learn square using repeat command. First of all, I am explaining how we can make square simply. Then we'll learn how to make square with the help of repeat command. So consider this as 100, 100, 100 or 100. You can write 50 or 100. It's up to you. So to move in the same direction, what we can write? We can write FD 100. And I'm making dry run here. Run part FD 100. Now turtle is here. For this, turtle is facing this direction, and to take a turn in the right direction, and this is 90 degrees. So we will write RT 90. I am writing in the same line RT 90. So turtle will take turn like this. Now to move in the same direction, again what we can write? We will write FD 100, and to take a turn downside, it's a right part, right side of the turtle. So RT again, and this is again 90 degrees. So RT 90. Fine. RT 90. And to move in the same direction and to take a turn, the same command FD 100, RT 90. Again to take a turn and to move in the same direction, FD 100, RT 90. Now for square, I have written the same command 4 times. FD 100, RT 90, FD 100, RT 90, FD 100, RT 90, FD 100, RT 90. I have written 4 times. You can write 4 times, but why we will write 4 times? We can give command to the turtle like this. Please repeat. REPEAT, repeat. What to repeat first of all? This command FD 100, RT 90. Now we have to repeat 4 times. So mention 4 here. So we are giving command to the turtle. Please repeat FD 100, RT 90 4 times. So by one line only, by writing this, we can make square. For small square, you can write repeat 4. We are repeating this step 4 times. That's why we are writing 4. FD 50, RT 90. Okay. You can write 30 also. You can write 150 also. So you can make patterns like this also. 50, 100, 150 like this. So today we have done square with the help of repeat command. You can make square like this also by writing the same step 4 times, FD 100, RT 90, and we can give a command to the turtle like this also. Repeat. What we have to repeat? This command FD 100, FD 50 also you can write, RT 90, and how many times you have to mention here? 4 times. So repeat 4 bracket FD spacebar 50 spacebar RT spacebar 90. Now I will show practically how we can write the step. You have to open any browser. You are free to open Chrome, Firefox or any other browser. From here you have to type MS Logo Online Editor. Then as I explained last time also, you are free to open any platform just like online logo interpreter, Turtle Academy, and free online turtle graphics. As we have done the practice on Turtle Academy last time, so this time also I am opening Turtle Academy. From here you have to open playground option. Now you can see this is a very simple platform for online logo practice. As I explained, today we are going to make a square with the help of repeat command. So I'm writing. It's a very short and a nice way to make square. REPEAT, repeat 4, as we have to repeat the same step 4 times. Now square bracket, FD space bar, 50 space bar. I'm making a small square, that's why I've written 50. Now RT space bar 90 and square bracket close. Enter. As here you can see. Now I'm making one more square here only. REPEAT, repeat 4 square bracket, FD 70 space bar, RT 90 and square bracket close. Now enter here. Now if you want to make a very small square, so REPEAT, repeat 4 FD 30 RT 90. Enter. Like that you can make a pattern. I have done the square right side, you can do left side also. So like that you can make patterns using a square, and you can make square with the help of repeat command also, and you can directly write the steps. So please practice this at home. Be safe and healthy. Thank you so much children. Bye bye.